This is how to make changes to your Android so that it doesn't connect automatically to any available Wi-Fi or hotspot. Okay, you do that manually as you wish. First is to get to the settings of your Android. So I will swipe up and then I will get to my settings in this case. So here is my settings. So I will tap on it. As the settings page opens, locate the Wi-Fi. Okay, you can see Wi-Fi option here. In some devices, the configuration may be different. Okay, so what is important is that you get to the Wi-Fi. All right, so tap on it. Okay, as you are on the Wi-Fi page, tap on this Wi-Fi preferences. Then you see this option, turn on Wi-Fi automatically. All right. So what that means is that Wi-Fi will turn back on near high quality safe networks like your home network. Okay. So we don't want this to turn on automatically anytime it detects a hotspot around. So tap on that button for it to be toggled on. Then the second one says open network notification prompt when a high quality network is available. We don't want that again. So tap on that button to toggle it off. And with this, you're good to go. Anytime a hotspot is turned on in your location, which you have connected to previously, it will not get connected automatically. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on tech, so subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment if you have questions, and see you some other time.